So Hurricane Michael hit our district on October 10th, 2018. In that short of time span, we lost a lot of students, like 5,000 students left our area. We lost over 250 teachers that decided they needed to leave because there were no places to live, or they could find a job in another area. Our homeless rate has increased to about 5,400 students. And that includes some of our own district personnel are homeless now. We've had to lay teachers off because of funding issues. Our mental health, we did a mental health survey. We had clinical levels of anxiety, depression, and PTSD. So the mental health is very important to us, and knowing that we can support our people. Today we have the awesome opportunity to host a group of mentors from around the country. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, the Recovery Division, has brought in mentors to speak to our district administrators in one location and our school-based administrators in another location.
We're all a part of an exclusive club that nobody wants to be a part of. We've been through something very traumatic.
But what these mentors from across the country have in common is they've gone through disaster. And although different scenarios and different types of disaster, there's a commonality there, and that's their strength.
It's not necessarily the worst night of your life. Even with all the bad things that happen, there's so many blessings that pop up in different places.
People have survived these things in the past. That gives us glimpses of hope as well.
I mean, Harvey certainly devastated our community, but in the end, we were resilient and came out better for it.
We do have the opportunity to rewrite our story. We have the opportunity to make things better. So thankful to have the opportunity to speak to these leaders, these superintendents, these principals from across the country, and to find out the steps that they took, because we haven't walked in those shoes yet, and we're walking them, trying to make the best decisions that we can.
Produced using taxpayer funding by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.